Yeah, Stefan Rap Radio ngati ngati tukan sona ni mwana ndi wa mahango ndi chikholozori. You still having some great time nango shango lambarelwa ndi mangagoleli itsu ndikwambisa hezwi ngori you'd have seen that we lost what we ngabo DMX. The loser naboneli pala mndiyamba mtu aka, but the saddest part ni musiriko tumobona zori this thing is bullying it's all over and it's becoming too much. Unawazana ngo hayi ngoba makomba ubotonga ndibone mwana watoje na msangweni ndi kwamba hezo ngori zinazi video nji zinaza kudisurface ngandaza mbilwi zinara kudizibona zinazo surface ngamramusi rufuno mabungori sia because of bullying and inji ngamanda zimwe zinara kotumo zibona ziko vera kagara. But enough about that, because today we about to celebrate. We celebrating that DJ Alicia and BlackPearl Vee. But the mumbo Black Pearl palanga tonto. They're about to drop a brand new single in of Imali, in of Imali, not Imali man. In of Imali, in of Cherede. Ndi watu vane wangaseza apo na those bona zore dziko buya ngamanda hukushumiwa ndi watu vane vakupusha zwavo uri husvike hune zvanaka zvine zvava zwavhudi naho vamwe vachidiambura hari kuchanseliwa zviva vanga manda musi wavo busy weimafala ruvandeni weimafala khoneni weimafala swisino sekuri zvichizoferera gai auna zvine zvakuitwa hezvi machero wapedza vege yote vari mwedzi vari mwawo imane pakudzisasaradza vamwe vawana vati vachikuya panza vachikupenyerera ndiamba vachikolifite aunona zvimwe. So yeah man, I'm expecting the track to receive, but it's going to be debuting also on different radio stations. The track in Avizo Vimali in Air the DJ Alicia and a BlackPearl Vee will feature Candy Floss, Mesh K and Big Ropza, one of the biggest producer in SA and it's underrated. The home hapa kamuzika ngore ndi muthu anene nga manda uchita kubika hubikwa zvitu zvaviva vatozvifa zozoti ndinganyu hoshera mimuno yoringaniraho pafazuko dia ndina muziparo vandeni apo vatozvifa zori avone ukuiteya zvitu. So I'm hoping uri we'll be listening to this brand new song usikale ndivabudza zvinji musi rimbo rano drop or ndikolofuna atikolofuna ukuiteya mini ukotangana mini pasi hangwa uri arani vamuntu vane vadifuna na zvitu zvavudi ndiamba zvitu zopenyerera zvitu zonakisa kopeni muviri na mini vadidawa mucheko no DJ Alicia ndi mutu avori uona Alicia Skin Solution ine avori idilana ngamanda nazo zori vatu vapenyerere vanake vavonale vatsukerere vavonale vatuni vakonfesese musi usina na zvimwe I'm about to hit the road right now zvazino zozori zayozorari aunona zvimwe ndi mapungo pedzi. But then masango hango check out the beef between Ramsey and Killer G. It's an old diss track. We're just looking back because teaching us some of those track refezori uko tangana mini of the wood yafe to ko rura mini ko dia mini ngoro mwa ko ndi kosi mwara tikosi mwara ni dita nyum nendi queen. Yeah man, so don't forget to check out that it's available Van Rap the best on YouTube, something like that. So make sure that you check out the pages there and support them and understand as an artist, make sure that your music is copyrighted. Musinichi uploader online because YouTube. Make sure that you get your money, man, because the streaming ziko badera ngamanda mandara because the YouTube na iko badera. So make sure that your music is well registered when it comes to this digital royalty thing, this mechanical, you know, all those things. Yeah, ngora ngoro jenesa kazuna musara ngado kwambe sanga hazo rodoro pumuna nyana rasa nazo zori. Let's celebrate to gomba komba ndiamba Alicia and BlackPearl Vee. They're about to hit us with a brand new song featuring Candy Floss, Mesh K, Big Ropza, track if you male. Ono nazing abarandenderi chwe ndivasiye ngatinga nepala ndiamba the track brand new track uva kamsuhana ane vamfuna vamutakalera vari ndi CRG aralufuna lokumita mini mara msuhana we enda ana nazwinga